Attachment theory is a way to understand how people connect and relate to each other, especially in close relationships. It talks about the special bond between a child and their caregiver, usually a parent. This theory helps us see how this bond shapes our feelings, thoughts, and behaviors as we grow up. The basics of attachment. When a baby is born, they depend on their caregiver for everything: food, comfort, safety. This builds a strong bond between them. Attachment theory says there are four main types of attachment. Secure attachment: babies feel safe and secure with their caregiver. They know their caregiver will be there when they need them. Anxious resistant attachment: babies get upset when their caregiver leaves and may cling to them when they return. They worry about being abandoned. Avoidant attachment: babies seem indifferent when their caregiver leaves or returns. They might not seek comfort from their caregiver. Disorganized attachment: babies show confused and inconsistent behaviors toward their caregiver. They might act out or freeze when stressed. How attachment develops: attachment starts forming from day one. Babies learn to trust their caregiver based on their experiences. If their caregiver responds to their needs consistently and warmly, they feel secure. But if their caregiver is unreliable or distant, they may develop insecure attachments. Why attachment matters. Attachment isn't just for babies. It affects us throughout our lives. It shapes how we see ourselves and others. People with secure attachments tend to have healthier relationships. They feel confident in themselves and trust others. But those with insecure attachments may struggle with intimacy and have trouble trusting others. The role of caregivers. Caregivers play a huge role in shaping attachment. Being responsive to a baby's needs helps them feel secure. This means comforting them when they cry, playing with them, and being there for them when they need help. Consistency and love build trust, which is the foundation of a secure attachment. Impacts on later life attachment patterns established in childhood often carry into adulthood. They influence how we form friendships, romantic relationships, and even how we parent our own children. But it's not set in stone. With awareness and effort, people can change their attachment style and build healthier relationships. Attachment and mental health. Our attachment style can also affect our mental health. People with secure attachments tend to have better emotional regulation and coping skills, but those with insecure attachments may struggle with anxiety, depression, or low self-esteem.